Go through milk soup. So first note down the ingredients: 2 onions, 2 turnips, 1 head of celery, 3 pints of milk, 1 pint of water, 2 tablespoons of Allinson fine wheatmeal, pepper and salt to taste. That is the ingredient for making milk soup. Next we will go through the cooking process. So first we have to chop up the vegetables, means onion, turnips, celery and so on. And next step is boil them in water until it becomes quite tender. When it becomes tender, we have to rub them through a sieve and return the whole to the saucepan. And after that we have to add pepper and salt and again rub the wheatmeal smooth in the milk. Next is we have to let the soup simmer for 5 minutes and after that we have to serve. So that would be all for making milk soup. Hope you will like it. Please make the milk soup. Thank you.